My man is straight trying to manhandle this thing. I'm guessing he's missed the bow rail. This typically doesn't work though, man. You're probably gonna have to get a little more water under this. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And here we go, my man's getting in the car. Let's see what happens. Are we pulling forward, or are we backing up? And reverse lights, we're gonna back it up. Bro, you backed up like 2 inches. That's not gonna do a whole lot. I guess he's trying to keep his tires out of the water. Oh, it looks like it did. He might have broke free for him. Yeah, it looks like he's got it lined up. Somehow he got it centered there, but he's doing it the hard way. And our crew's working their way in on the dock. Our guy who's manhandling the boat is still over here in front of them, and he's backed down a few times now. He doesn't like the way it's sitting on the trailer still, so I'd be careful pulling in here probably. Oh! Brake check, wind and currents got him. And we hit the dock. Oh! You've got yourself into a spot, bro. So he's backing down on this other boat, but they've got a massive bow pulpit on the front of this boat that is in between the poles. You can see here, he's kind of stuck in between the poles, and now he's completely vertical on this dock. This will be an interesting one. They've got to get a line over or something, man. You've got to start walking this back around. And there we go. We've got a stern line off. He'll start pulling that one back over. But, man, they just got completely messed up on that one. I'm not sure exactly what happened. We were following them on the back, so we thought we were going to hit the other boat. And they just wound up hitting the dock and getting this thing sideways. But it looks like they're good to go and they'll get it back over. And our guy who was manhandling this trailer thought he had it right. And now he just can't get it to land the way he wants it to land. He's probably been at this for about 10 minutes now. And now here we go. He finally goes back super deep, so now the whole boat's floating. If he pulls this up slow enough, it might self-level. I mean, it looks pretty decent to me. I mean, it's not quite 100%, but unless you're towing this thing 1,000 miles, it's probably not going to matter that much. But nope, perfection is the name of my man's game, and he's going to keep at it till he gets it right. Oh, he backs in deep here, though. We've got the rear tires in the water now. And again, it doesn't look terrible to me. But still not satisfied. We got Wifey on the dock. She's got a line, so she's trying to help him line it up. And does he have it this time? Yes. So my man working on trying to winch this one up. Decided not to power load. We were just going to winch her on. Oh, the winch broke. He was winching, and the winch, I'm guessing the strap broke. He's messing with something up there now. Yep, he's pulling strap out. The strap broke. And it looks like he's going to try and reattach it. Yeah, so he's pulling the line through. I guess he's going to try and tie it. Let's see if we can just rig it up to get the boat out of here. So we'll hook it back on one more time. See if we can get it to work. So he's reattaching it. He's going to have to winch it back up one more time. And here we go. It looks like he's going to try it. Let's see if it holds this time. I'd be skeptical on this. I don't know that I'd want to just all of a sudden drive around with just a knot in my winch. But it's pulling it up. It looks like he seems satisfied with it. I mean, he's giving the thumbs up. We're going to pull off. Let's see if it holds. I mean, we're obviously thinking it's going to hold for sure. We're loading everybody in the truck. We're not even waiting around. Except for our person sitting at the helm. I'd probably want off of this. But once again, I mean, maybe it's not that big of a deal. But it looked like he just tied a knot. And it looks like we're going to be good and it's going to hold. Crew in on approach, and the wind and current got them, and they're going to get pulled off. And the guy over here in the red truck to the right's like, go to the other dock, let the wind and current do it. He just kind of pointed over like, let it float in. Cap wisely does that and takes the easy soft landing. And this is the way he should have looked at it from the beginning. But hey, it works out. They're all set. They'll be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.